In this video, I will show you how to add jump and dash functionality to the player. I have a player here and I have already attached the character controller and the mover script to the player. In the last video, we have learned about character controller and how movements work. Now we will focus on adding jump and dash functionality. Inside the mover script, I added variables for jump and dash. For jump, I included jump speed, jump time, and start jump time. And for dash, I included dash speed, dash time, and dash trail. Inside start function, jump time is assigned in start jump time. Inside the jump function, if the jump key is pressed and start jump time is less than or equal to 0, then I assign the jump speed to move direction.y. The move direction represents the player movement direction and y represent upward movement. And again, jump time is assigned in start jump time. Inside the dash function, when a dash key is pressed, I start a coroutine. Inside the I enumerator, I implement the dash functionality. I made sure to call both the jump and the dash function from the update function. Now you can see that the player is doing jump and dash smoothly. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.